Hello everyone, so I have a nice little video here shared by Ukraine showing F-16 operations in Kursk. It's a short video but it shows multiple airstrikes, some of them hitting buildings in Kursk, including two striking a fairly large complex, after which we see troops scurrying for safety like a disturbed ant's nest. The next one, two hitting nearby forest with smoke rising from the forest nearby, and also in this clip you can see the same building we just looked at. So it looks like a pair of aircraft launched 4 bombs on this area at least, but I'll take a look at that later. In the final clip that we see, a small view of strikes on another building in Kursk. I'm going to check the location of these first and then go through some screenshots and see if we can piece together what exactly happened here and how these are all related. So, the first place that was targeted was this. Looks like it was once a farm of some sort now being used by Russia. This is the video clip where we saw the Russians scurrying for cover afterwards. Strike number 2 hit the forested area shown here. I guess a position where Russian troops were known to be. Zoomed out, you can see this isn't far from our first strike. Now, before we move on to the final geolocation, let's check some screenshots as these two are closely linked. First screenshot, you can see smoke rising from the site before the airstrike arrives. I wonder if artillery hit this site before and then an airstrike was called in instead. Further back, a small cloud of smoke too, so at least 2 impacts here before the airstrike. And here, the 2 airstrikes, one hitting near the smoke, the other one a little bit to the left. The drone recording then also spots a third one impacting, shown here, just north of the first 2 ones. The drone is still recording and it then detects the 2 impacts we looked at on the big white complex. So, it seems at least 2 aircraft were in the skies at the time, with at least 4 bombs hitting the area, possibly 5. We usually see Ukrainian aircraft launching 2 each, so it could be there are actually 3 aircraft taking part in this operation. Now, is this white roof complex the same that we saw in the first video? Well, the geolocation by Alex Baxmore is on screen now. This is inverted, the camera is looking east. So yes, the drone is indeed filming the same white complex. So that's very interesting. In one area, we have 5 different impacts seen, plus smoke rising from a past artillery strike in the area. At least I assume it's from a past artillery strike. But this number of strikes here definitely suggests that multiple F-16s were used. At least 2, possibly even 3. Here's the geolocation of the final one. In the video clip, we saw 4 impacts here, so again it suggests that 2 different F-16s were used to target this area, which zoomed out is also in Kursk, but in a different area than the others. So this is a different incident, but still implied to be F-16s. May have happened on the same day, I can't say for sure because of the location here. So quite interesting I think to show that Ukraine is operating F-16s so close to the border with Russia like that. And not just one F-16, multiple F-16s to carry out airstrikes, hitting Kursk. It kind of shows that they know that Russia's air defence is heavily depleted at the moment in the border regions and near the front lines. So, that's it for this video. Hope you found it interesting. If so, please click like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much and take care everybody.